If you're craving Korean flavors, this simple recipe is for you. 1 pot kimchi rice without stir frying, and of course, a very delicious pork galbi for topping. Let's start cooking! Gagawa tayo ng kimchi rice because we will not fry it, no? So, eto siya. Very simple kasi sasaingin lang natin. So, eto, meron akong chicken stock. Pwede namang water. Pero mas masarap pag chicken stock. And I will just add my seasoning. I have soy sauce, sugar, sriracha, or yung Korean chili paste, sesame oil, and our rice. 2 cups yung rice dahil 2 cups din yung aking chicken stock. And ito siya, hinugasan ko na siya, no? So, parang normal na saing lang yung gagawin natin dito. But when it's cooked, parang feeling mo Korean fried rice. And I have here half a cup of chopped kimchi, julienne carrots, and minced onions. So, lulutuin lang natin yung ating rice. Just like normal sinaing. Sobrang simple. So, ito, sisimulan na natin yung pag-marinate nating pork galbi. And it's so simple to do. So, I have soy sauce. I have sugar. Tamis alat, di ba? Yan. A little bit of vinegar. Sesame oil. Ginger. Garlic. And very important, no? Dissolve natin yung ating sugar. And we just pour it into our pork. Yung ating mga samgyup cuts or bacon cuts. Let's check. Oh, yan. It's simmering. Yan. In a few minutes, it's going to be done. And this one will be soaking in our marinade para pasarap siya ng masarap. Hello mga ka-Simpol! Don't forget to grab copies of my Simpol Cookbooks available on Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Add to cart na. So, paluto na yung aking rice. Yan. So, this is what you do ha. Pag medyo maluto na yung rice, kailangan mo siyang i-fluff up. Huwag mo siyang iiwan na ganyan. Ideally, ganyan siya. Konting in-in na lang. And now, we will cook our egg. Yan. So, gagawin natin ng scrambled eggs. Yan. So, ating eggs, crack our eggs. I will add my eggs. Yan. Dapat hindi pa siya mainit masyado kasi I will roll it like a crepe. So, ito siya yung gagawin ko. Look ha. So, iro-roll ko lang siya, yung egg. And it will set na nakaganon na siya. And you can even prepare the eggs ahead of time kasi garnish siya. Pang-topping natin siya. And our eggs are done. Now, hot pan, and we will cook our pork galbi. So, pwede ding beef. Actually, pwede ding chicken or marinade. Pwede. Even for seafood, pwede to. Yan! And baboy is life. Pag sa samgyup kayo, ano mas gusto nyo? Beef or baboy? Oh, gusto ko baboy eh. Yan. Maganda dito sa mga meats na cut, hindi mabilis, maluto, at hindi mo na kailangang palambutin din kasi thinly cut na siya and it's cut across the grain. Bango, no? Kung naaamoy nyo lang dito, I'm sure matatakam kayo. Oh! Woo! Exhibition. Yan. Yan. Ready na yung ating eggs, oh. Diba? Then, ang ating pork, paluto na. Yan. Then, gupit-gupit tayo para madaling kainin. Yan. And if you want to have a nice glaze, ito may extra tayo na marinade. You can just drizzle. Kailangan mo lalo lutuin, no? Pag mag-drizzle ka ng sauce, dapat sigurado ka na lutuin. And we're done. Ready na tayo to plate. Oh my God. Oh, di ba? Very nice. And ready to serve na tayo. Ready na tayo. Napaka-simple lang nating recipe. Bakit mo pahirapan, di ba? Ang hirap-hirap na ng buhay. So beautiful, di ba? Isipin mo ba na hindi ka na nag-isa? Yan. So, eto, lagyan natin ng pork. Sarap, no? Lagyan natin kunwari na spring onions. Kunwari nag-effort ka. Yan. O, then meron tayong pa-sesame seeds. Titikman ko ba? Titikman ko. Look at that light and fluffy. The perfect bite for you. And for me pala. It's a winner. Ito na siya. Ating date night food. Kahit wala akong kadate. Ang ating 1-pot kimchi rice with pork galbi. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!